guys, it's Erica and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well, keeping safe and healthy. So today I have another exciting video for you guys. I know that I say all my videos are exciting, which they are to me, because honestly I just love unboxing and doing these reviews. It just, I don't know, it just brings me so much joy, especially when it's a new company that is sending me a gift. It's just so exciting. So as you can tell from the title, insert name here has sent me some products to try and I'm so excited. If you don't know what insert name here is, it is a company that sells hair extensions. Never in my life have I worn hair extensions. The only extra hair thing is a wig and one of those scrunchy hair curly thingies. I don't know what you call them. So I wore that for dance as well as the wig. I've also worn wigs for funny videos just because I'm weird like that. But anyways, we can insert the dance photo here if I find it. It's quite something else. It doesn't suit me. Without further ado, let me just get right into the unboxing. This is the bag that I was sent. Inside here we have two other bags. I'm excited. So they sent me two different hair extensions. What I like about this packaging is that it is biodegradable. We love that. We love that it is magic, as the bag says. Whoa. Okay. Can we just admire this packaging? I love that this is a reusable bag. You can use this forever. So good. Less waste. That's the first one. That's Brit. This one, let's see what the name of this is. So I think Brit is a ponytail. Again, nice bag. They have zip ties here, so you cannot get in. You know that these are locked in there. This one is a ponytail. It says it's a pony for me at the top. And then this one is all about the smile, which I'm assuming this is the length. Let me show you how long my hair is, just to show you if I can even get it on screen. No. So my bum is like here. It's basically right on top of my bum. My hair is super long. I'm definitely in for a trim. It definitely needs a trim. Please don't come at me. Unzip it and take it right out. This is strange. Okay, so this is the protective hairnet. Super shiny. And it's soft. Whoa. They are snap clips. I think my hair is longer. Check this out. Yeah, my hair is longer. What's gonna happen is that this is gonna look like layers. Maybe. I don't know. I'm gonna take from about where my temple is and just bring it all the way back here. So it's about half my head. We are going to kind of put a top knot on. I've turned around here. I don't have a mirror here. So we're doing this blindly. Okay, digging it in and I'm popping the clips on. And then the side here should just snap in. Ooh, it's not very flat. I think I need to move it over. Like so. And clipping the other ones, which are underneath. They could dig into the hair a little bit. In. I think this like netting part not really sticking in properly, and maybe I'm just not doing this right. Okay, and then you're just supposed to like let this down, right? Oh, that is definitely not right. I mean, my hair feels thicker, but the thing is my hair is longer than the extension, so it looks a bit weird. You know what I mean? I feel like I would have to cut my hair. This is the extension and this is my hair. I don't think this is working very well. My hair definitely feels thicker. It feels like there's a big clump in the back. I don't think I'm doing this right. Guys, I gotta cut my hair if we're gonna be wearing extensions with this. It feels strange. It feels like there's a bit of weight on my head. You can feel where the tracks are. It's definitely thicker, which feels nice. It does match the color of my hair. My overall thoughts on the U-clip is that the hair is beautiful. I think it's so soft and it looks real and really healthy. My only thing about putting them on is that it leaves kind of like this bump in the hairline, and that's maybe because I need to tease my hair or I just don't have enough hair on top. I don't know. It's not long enough for my hair. If you are looking for something to give yourself thicker and I guess longer hair, then yeah, I would say yeah, try this out, see how it is. For someone who's never worn hair extensions before, this is my first time. I think this is like great quality. It doesn't look fake and like it's definitely really soft. There is weight to it, and if you don't like your head feeling like really heavy, then maybe this isn't for you. Moving on to It's a Pony. I'm taking it out of the hairnet this is the length of my hair. I have put my hair up in a ponytail. It's a high ponytail. It's really messily done, so please don't come at me. I know my baby hairs are just sticking out, but this is the back of the extension. It's got a clip where you just put it where the hair tie is, and then it has this Velcro band where then you can wrap this around here. Okay, goes in there. So I'm gonna be tilting my head back so I don't get the Velcro. Ooh. Making funny faces here because I've never done this. Whoa, this is heavy. You can definitely feel the difference. So now I'm just gonna take this piece and wrap it around. So this is supposed to wrap all the way around the pony. Just kind of stick the bobby pin like that. And there is the ponytail. So it's giving me a lot of length. A heck of a lot of length. That's very pretty. This flappy part here is kind of strange. It's definitely heavier. Now that you guys have seen the process of this all, I'm going to show you before and after photos so you can get a better look. So here is the before photo with my hair down, and this is the after photo with the U-clip in. Definitely not the proper length for me, but still really luscious hair. This is the before photo with my hair in a pony, no extensions in. And this is the after photo with the Brit clip in. This I really like. Definitely gives the length and is more voluminous. The U clip or the pony clip. I think both are lovely. I love how shiny and soft the hair is. You could see on the camera, this is actually shinier than my real hair. And I love the length of the pony. This I wish was longer, but again, like, I think I just need a haircut. I really do. I haven't cut it in over a year. There's been so many lockdowns and I don't want to just go for a trim. Like, if I'm gonna cut my hair, I'm gonna really cut it. So that's why I grow it out long and then I cut it. That may be bad, I don't know, but that's just the way I do it. That's how I get the length, if you guys are wondering how to get length. This though gets tangled so easily because of the length, which is understandable. Long hair does get tangled. My own hair gets tangled when it's been played around with a lot. If I were to choose between the two, I think I would pick the pony, simply because it is longer and I really love my length. Overall, like, I think they're good. Something that I wouldn't wear every day, maybe like on occasions, I would plop these in, use them for costumes, that would be perfect. I'm really grateful that Insert Your Name Here sent me these, because honestly, I don't think I would have ever tried these if it weren't for them. So thank you so much for the experience. Like, definitely a learning experience. If you want luscious, thick, shiny hair, this is it. Thank you so much, INH, for sending me these lovely hair extensions. I really appreciate it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!